sound of A? A sounds?
A says A. A sounds. A for apple. A says A. A
For an ant. A for ant. A for an airplane. A for aeroplane. A for as. A for as. Very good. Now see this book, children. Your term book. Term 1. Page number 4. Term 1. Page number 4. A. A for apple. A for aeroplane. A for as. Did you trace these letters? Did you trace the letter A? Now you must trace the mama letter A. Slanting line, and a sleeping line. Okay. Now children, take term 1 activity book on page number 3. Page number 3, your activity book. See here, tick only A. Tick only A. Now can you see where is the letter A? Is this the letter A? Is this the letter A? Yes. So take your pencil and put a tick like this. Put a tick like this. Like that. You see the letter A and go and put a tick this way. Okay? Is this the letter A? No. This one, go and put a tick to all the letter A. Okay? And here, now see this children. Take only the small letter. This is your baby letter A. So take only baby letter A. See, this is your baby letter A. Curve and a standing line. Okay. So go and take the baby letter A. 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 See, this is this your baby letter A? No, because it is a long standing line. Okay, this is not your baby letter A. Okay, now see, you have to color the pictures for A. A as A for aeroplane. A for apple. Take your crayons and you must color these pictures for A sound pictures. Okay, and trace and write A. Have you completed this homework? If you haven't completed, trace this letter A, mama letter A. You must write mama letter A, slanting line and a sleeping line. Okay, now turn to page number 4. Turn your book, turn the page. Here, can you see? Write mama letter A. Write mama letter A. Write mama letter A. Slanting line, sleeping line. Okay, you must write mama letter A in all these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. all these 5 lines you write mama letter A. Okay, and can you see this? These 2 lines you must write the baby letter A. Baby letter A. A sounds A. A sounds A. Okay children, curve, put a curve and a standing line this way. Curve and a standing line. This is how you write your baby letter. Okay. Very good children. Now we shall learn the letter B. So what is the sound for letter B? It is B. 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 Tell B. 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 Okay. B is for bat. B for bat. B. B. Bat. B for ball. B for ball. B. B. Ball. B for bird. B. B. Bird. B for bird. B. B. Bird. B for bed. B. B. Bed. B for bed. B. B. Bed. B for banana. B. B. Banana. B for banana. B. B. Banana. Once again, B for bat. B. B. Bat. B for ball. B. B. Ball. B for bird. B. B. Bird. Look at this picture. B. B. Bird. B for bag. B. B. Bag. Okay. B for banana. B. B. Banana. Okay. And B is for book. This is a book. B for book. B. B. Book. Okay. Now see this. This is the letter B. This is mama letter B and this is baby letter B. Mama letter B and baby letter B. This is mama B, baby B. B, 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 B. How you write B? Put a straight line, that's your standing line. Put a straight line and a back open curve. That's a small curve and another back open curve. So this is your mama letter B. Mama B. That's your big B. Okay. This is baby B. How you write your baby B? Put a standing line and a small curve down. A small curve, that is your back open curve down. Okay. And see B. B for bird. B. B. Bird. B for bed. B for bed. B. B. Bed. B for ball. B. B. Ball. Now let's learn how to write the mama B and the baby letter B. Okay. See, all of you take your pencil standing line. Put a standing line. This is your standing line. How you write a standing line? This way. This is your standing line. And from top, back open curve. That is, put a round. Put a curve. Okay? It's a curve. It's a half circle. Okay? So this is also called French open curve. Okay? And another curve down. Okay? Same size. Both of the same size. Curve and curve. This is your Mama letter B. Mama B. What you say? Mama B as capital letter B. That is your big letter B. Okay, children? Once again, put a standing line, straight line. So you must hold your pencil this way. Rest your hand on the book. Your hand you must keep it on the book. Slowly put a standing line, slowly till this blue line. Okay? You must ask your mama to keep a dot for you, and after your mama keeps the dot, you start to write. Okay? Back open curve, another curve. Mama B and baby B. Baby B is also very easy to write. Put a standing line. This is your standing line, straight line. Raise your hands like this. What is this? Standing line. Okay? And I put a curve, not here, down, in the middle line. Put a curve. That is your back open curve. This way. See, keep your fingers this way. Take it closer and draw a curve. Back open curve. This is your baby letter B. Small b. Okay? Once again, standing line, curve and curve. What is this? Mama B. Very good. And baby B, standing line, and from this blue line, I will draw curve from the bottom. Okay? Curve it from down. Baby B. Book. Term 1, activity book. Turn on page number 5. Page number 5. Okay, page number 5. This is your practice book. Tick only B. Can you see where is your mama B? That is big B. Big B எங்க இருக்கு? அத போய் டிக் பண்ணனும். Okay? Tick it. Tick the mama B. Tick the mama letter B. Is this the B? No. Is this mama letter B? No. This one? Yes. Mama letter B. Mama letter B. Mama letter B. You must tick. Okay? And see this. Tick. What is this? Baby B. This is baby letter B. Baby letter B. Baby letter B. No. No. This is baby letter B. Remember, for baby letter B, you have to use a back open curve. See? This is back open curve. This is your back open curve. For baby letter B, you have to use a back open curve. Okay? And see this. Color the pictures for B. You must color. Take your crayons. Take your crayons and find out what are the pictures for B. B. This is B. No. This is A. Apple. Which is B pictures? Bird. You must color this. Children, you must color the B pictures. Bird. This starts from B letter, no? Ball. Bear. Okay? So color the B pictures. What are the B pictures? B, bird. B, ball. B, bear. Okay? Now see this. Trace and write Mama letter B. Can you see? Trace and write the Mama letter B. Here also you must trace the Mama letter B. Standing line, curve and curve. Okay? Standing line, curve, another curve. Similarly, write for all. Okay? Now turn on to page number 6. Next page. Page number 6. Next page also you must write the Mama letter B. You must write and say and write and fill these lines. Okay? Fill all these lines and down can you see? What is this? Small letter B. Yes, this also you must trace. Trace and write. Okay, children? Bye. See you in the next video.